Morning, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. 11th of July today, 7:05. We got 27 pairs. Let's get going. USD JPY. My current position is in profit, but we got another strong candle today. Now, usually after an extended push, there's a pullback, but I'm not considering that yet. It's part of my strategy. So we have entry today. Going to just put it right here a little bit, and there you go. So this one's for today. Hopefully it pushes back down to this limit. Use the CAD. We're not touching this yet. Nothing to do. Let's go down to 15. Let's see if Tim's method is got something. Yeah, there's no trend. There's no break of a structure. So nothing here. And looks like we're still in a hedge, no movement. Use the CHF. Oh, this is going well. Unfortunately, I'm not in a trade and I don't think I'm gonna be in it. Again, just went from one area to another. If I sell here, I'll be selling into a resistance. Use the CHF. Nothing here. Let's go down to 15. No signs of bounce. No new trades. There's most likely gonna be a bounce in this area since it's slowing down. AUD CAD. This is weird. This is entered because of this bullish candle. First one closed. It looks like we already lost this. There's a wick that's out. So this one's gone. One winner, one loser. Nothing for today. This is most likely indecision. AUD USD, nothing here. So I entered because of this, and as I said yesterday, this might come a resistance area, which it did, and this is a loss too. New Zealand CAD got 3 winners, but nothing for today. There's no strong candles here. Looks like it's struggling to get to these highs. Let's see. New Zealand CHF, we're in a profit. Just let it be for now. New Zealand USD. It hasn't closed into the red, so our strategy still holds. Let's see how it goes. New Zealand JPY. Again, we're into a resistance zone, so I won't be selling here. Euro pound. I kind of like this. This is much stronger than previous days. So I'm gonna put a buy here. As I said before, I don't consider wicks. And this time, because if I put a stop loss here, it'd be too small, considering the wicks previously. And I don't want to get wicked out. So I just put the stop loss down below, a bit lower. And basically, if it comes back to where it was yesterday, we'll take profit. I don't consider the wicks, consider the bodies. Looks like closed above previous 2 days. That's in addition to this resistance zone. It's added confluence. Euro CHF. Candles are not looking good. So just stay away from this. Yeah, there's a lot of wick going on here, up and down. Euro JPY, nothing here yet. That's unfortunate. So we closed this one because of this red candle, and when it came back, we closed it. But looks like it would have hit our TP. It's a rule of mine when I try to close at break even. If a candle closes against me, it's good most of the time, but sometimes when it comes back my direction and I close it, it continues going. I haven't really figured out the rule yet to help me take advantage of these movements instead of closing it at break even. That requires more testing. Euro USD. Looks like it's gonna break. Okay, let's enter here. Still already past resistance. It's showing strong sign of bullishness. So put a one-on-one risk reward. Hopefully it just pushes up through your New Zealand. That one broke even. You see sometimes break even. It's very useful. Yeah, we buy this. I mean, it might bounce here, but it had chance to bounce one, twice. It's like today might push even further up. Hopefully can reach here. Let's see. As I said, part of my strategy is discretionary, and that comes with experience, which I'm still gaining, and intuition, which needs building. It looks like we're one into the TP almost, if it doesn't reverse against us. And second entry here was Euro CAD, and next on JPY. Candle's not very strong. If it closed a little bit lower, I would have been more than happy to enter, but not sure now. Just leave it. Fortunate this one, but we enter one more time here. Well, right now it's down there. Pound USD, so that's closed. This hedging, which we're not hedged, also closed at this level. We get rid of this, and we also enter the sell here. The idea are bounces of the structures, and our hedge would be here. So if it bounces down, then we take profit. This second strategy. In my case, I'll be entering here for a push up. Now, I consider this a strong candle. I mean, it's the same size of this one, but I consider this as strong because of its position also has value. First thing, it's closed above the previous level, previous weeks or months closes, and then this giant wick shows the extreme bullishness in the direction of the movement. So that shows me momentum, even though body is not as big as your typical strong candles. Let's see how it goes. Pound CAD still going, and we're gonna add another position here, a little bit lower. Okay, the position is here today. Okay, pound CHF, nothing here. Pound New Zealand, there's a gap. It's probably wanna cover that gap. It might turn around and go up. It hasn't really closed against me yet. At CHF, this looks good now. Second position also looks good here. At JPY, same thing. We go into a third position here. Strong candle showing bearish momentum, maybe a little bit higher. I'm worried about getting wicked out like this. We'll see how it goes. CHF JPY, it's moving slowly. We're not entering a second position. There's no big momentum candles. That's it. I did not trade Nasdaq yesterday. I was at work. US Open. But let's have a look. I mean, this is in hindsight, but still good to examine the hypotheticals. So if we were here, 7:30, our box would be from around this level to down below this level, about this level. So when it comes down here, bounces down, this could have been easy sell, something like that. And then depending on where you place your stop loss, it would have been spiked out, but then price would basically come down here, get a big wick, then a big push. So you could have entered the second position here. Doesn't give you what to do. I don't know. It's very hard to make choices when you see the move already happening. Would have been any better if this you entered here and put a stop loss here. Take profit down there, something like that. Okay, let's leave this be. Doesn't help guessing. I'm just gonna mark the day. Should be something similar here use 30, I've realized moves quite similarly to Nasdaq. You get a spike and then a could even break off this structure for an up movement. All right, thank you guys for listening. This is it for today. See you tomorrow.